So the wig that I'll be using for this video comes from Celie Hair, and this is their lace frontal wig. It does come with these attachments on the inside so that you are able to use the elastic band that they include with all of their wigs so that you can rock it gluelessly. So this is a body wave 20-inch 13x4 lace frontal wig. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline, but I am going to actually customize it just a little bit more to my liking. So this is how it looks before I touch it, before any customization or anything of that sort. So I'm going to start off with bleaching my knots. I'm using 20 volume developer. I usually use 10, and I'm using this brand of powdered bleach. I'm going to put about just 1.5 scoops, and I'm just eyeballing the amount of developer I'm using. My mixture does look a little runny, but it does thicken up over time. So while it is thickening up, I'm going to go ahead and just spray a little bit of water onto the hair that's on the frontal part of the wig, just in case if any of my bleach mixture happens to seep through the lace and onto the hair, it doesn't process or begins to bleach my actual hair. Well, the actual hair on the wig. So I'm going to do that, and then using a popsicle stick, I am going to distribute the bleach mixture onto the lace evenly, like so, just so that all the knots can bleach and process at the same time. I let it process for about 20 to 25 minutes, not super long, and then I rinse out the bleach, and I'm going to use my Shimmer Lights purple shampoo to tone the knot so that it's not brassy or yellow looking or anything of that sort. And I also let the Shimmer Light shampoo sit on the knots for about 20 to 30 minutes just so that it'll neutralize and tone all of the knots. So now it's time to pluck the hairline. As you guys can see, it's been pre-plucked a little bit, but I'm actually going to go back in and pluck it to my liking. I like to do it by sections, and while the hair is still wet, it's just easier for me to grip the hair and actually kind of see exactly what it is that I'm doing when doing this part. So I just, I go in section by section, and I just part where I see it's kind of too thick, and I just use my tweezers to just thin it out a little bit more. So you're gonna see that I'm just gonna go in section by section to just pluck and customize the hairline a little bit. So I pretty much just do this all over the frontal part of the wig just to kind of create a natural and nice looking hairline. We don't want it too bulky or anything of that sort, and just doing it this way, and of course having patience as well, it always turns out pretty good. I rarely ever over pluck, and yeah, you guys can see the difference already from what's plucked and what hasn't been plucked yet. But yeah, I'm just gonna do that, and this is pretty much the end result. And now it's time to style my wig. So I'm gonna use this edge booster wax stick, and I just use this all over the hairline just so that I could tame any flyaways, and I'm also going to use the wax stick to help me mold the part like so. So I had already used the wax stick on where my part is, and you can part the wig pretty much, I'm not gonna say anywhere because it's only 4 inches in length, so middle part kind of suited this wig the best. You can try a side part, but you're not gonna get a super long part if you were to do a side part in this 13x4 lace frontal. So I went ahead and I just chose random sections to create my baby hairs. I'm using my Lotta Body mousse, foaming mousse. You can use any foaming soft holding mousse to do this, and I am not a huge fan of baby hairs. I hate doing them, but I had a client that ended up wanting this wig, so this is the only reason why I am styling the baby hairs this way. And I am also going to curl the hair because it is body wave hair. It's the perfect pattern to either straighten or curl, in my opinion. In its natural pattern, I don't tend to wear body wave hair in its natural pattern anyway, so I'm always straightening or curling body wave hair. So this is pretty much the finished results. I did pin curl the top just a little bit so that I could have some type of volume in that curl, and so this is the wig, and this is the hair styled. The hair held the curls wonderfully, and this lace is just, it's freaking awesome. It's really awesome. But I did go ahead and attach the elastic band, and now the unit is just 100% completely glueless and ready to wear. I did try it on just to see how it would fit and how I liked it. I really love this wig. I'll link it down below so that you guys can check it out. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.